Resetting your oil life indicator is quite simple in your Buick Encore. This example is done on a 2014. First, you'll turn your ignition to second position. And on the left side of your steering wheel, your left indicator has three controls which we need to be familiar with. One is menu, then there's the scroll, and then there's the clear reset on the end. Now hit menu until you get to vehicle information menu. Once you're in there, now you're going to scroll until you get to remaining oil life. Now just press reset. Are you sure you want to reset? You're going to scroll till it says yes. And now you're going to hit the reset button again. And when you release it, remaining oil life 100%. And good to go. If you found this video helpful and useful, please like, subscribe, comment, and ring that bell. And why not check out this video for your Buick Encore?
Thanks for watching.